Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I know this podium, you cannot see me. But, sorry about that. I came here 34 years before, and when I came here for nothing, zero, I mean minus. That time I worked more than in Canada, 34 years, more than 18 jobs, no money, paycheck to paycheck, make money day and night, pay the bills, and go sleep and go work. At the same time, within 18 jobs. One is my teaching in Catholic school about my language. One of my students introduced his business to do it. I said, I refused right away because I don't have enough language, I don't have business experience. So that's why I said, I don't want to do it. He said, no, you come and see that one meeting. That meeting is there in Brampton or Mississauga. His name is Jonathan. Jonathan is here, right? Jonathan here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Jonathan. He's my student. He brought to me Las Vegas. I will go Las Vegas for just fun, but I took a lot of pictures. When I got the picture, I shared with Facebook. One of the guy who was the guy, the 50 times failed the course. The guy saw the picture. Anna, you here? No, man. Then he guided me how to get this business and how to do this business. Then I came on the track, and then I got the license. I think I activated end of the December, and then I got January, I start the business. February 15, I got MD position. After the April, I think May, I got finished SMD position. Now I saw my system. MyWG system. So 5 SMDs under me. Is that incredible or what? What do you think?
Very good.
Other than that, 27 MDs under me. The little guy. If I care, the high me, right? Then 48 licensed people under me. Is that make change you or what? If you want to do it, if I do it, you can do it. It's not a big deal. If I do, little guy doing this one, why don't you do this one? The thing is nothing. But you have to mindset. You have to do yourself. What you have to do? You have to think how build your business. First thing is build your business. If you want to build your business, you have to recruit the people. How to recruit the people? Most of the people asking me that. That's easy. When you go washroom, somebody will be there in the other room. Ask them to join with the business.
Good.
Go to the elevator, somebody looking for something, right? Ask them to join with us or meet me. Or if you are community people or your friends, ask me, come to the coffee time or Tim Hortons, drink coffee or something. Talk about the business. Don't talk about the TV series. Think about the business. That means your mind have to work full time in the business. Your mind full-time business, go do the part-time work somewhere else. This is the chance to make money and then change your life. That's I say. Yeah, I know this guy waiting for me. I say that he's a Mr. Beans. Yeah, this business is life, everybody have it, you can change your life. Thank you.